Alrighty, you have a sub today, so you are watching this video to help you complete the worksheet that is due by the end of the class period, however much you get done. This is going to be about angle bisectors. Remember, whenever you have an angle bisector, what it's doing is it's taking a large angle and cutting it into two equal angles. So I'm going to do a few examples with you, and then the rest will be on your own. So starting with number 1, just to let you know, everything leading out to P is an angle bisector, okay? And if it's an angle bisector, that means that these angles are going to be the same. So they want us to find the measure of angle 2. Here's what we want to know. Here's what we know. We know the measure of angle 1 is 34 degrees. Now remember, I just told you this is an angle bisector, meaning these are the same. So if this one's 34, then angle 2 is also 34. All right, let's look at number 2. Okay, for number 2, they want us to find the measure of FHG. So FHG, this entire thing is what they want to know. They want to know the whole angle. And they tell us that the measure of angle 2 is 38. Now remember, this is an angle bisector, which means whatever angle 2 is, angle 1 is the same. So this is also 38. So to find the entire thing, we would say 38 plus 38. Please use the calculator if you struggle. So we would say 38 plus 38, and we get 76. So the entire thing is 76. All right. Last one I want to do for you is number 3, and then you have an example of each. So they want to know what is the measure of angle 1. Remember, this is an angle bisector. So therefore, whatever angle 1 is, angle 2 is the same. And then they tell us, circle what you want, underline what you know. They tell us that angle VTU, so this entire angle is 24 degrees. All right, now remember, these are the same. And there are 2 of them, right? So if we want to know one of them, we're going to take the whole thing and divide it by 2. Well, what's 24 divided by 2? If you're not good with math in your head, that is A-okay. Luckily, in today's society, there are calculators everywhere. 24 divided by 2 gives you 12. All right, so now you have an example of what it's like if you want to find an angle 1 and 2. You're working with those. If you're given one of your smaller ones and want to know the whole thing, if you're given the whole thing and want to know one of the smaller ones, you have an example of each. Remember, this worksheet has to be turned in and show your work by the end of the class period. I will be coming in for B group. It'll be next Wednesday. For A group, it'll be tomorrow to grade all of this, okay? And remember, if you're well behaved, you'll be rewarded. If you misbehave, you will be punished. So be good. I know you can. Thank you for your attention, and have a wonderful rest of your week.